What I came here for was cotton. These two go, these two go, these two go together. I need to find something that matches. Like these two match. Ooh, this cotton looks pretty. Matches with this one. Matches nicely with this one. Let's take these two. I'm gonna take these three. You know what? I have this yarn, this Bernard baby yarn. I have a similar yarn like this that I could definitely use and get my hands get rid of. And this is my favorite yarn. I'm gonna take a picture of this, send it to my dad and see if he likes it. It might not be his cup of tea. So they're just pretty. This is the clearance section. There's almost never any yarn. Hey lovely internet people, we're back home and I'm gonna show you everything that I bought. I think I don't know, man, I'm still not used to filming out in public, so I felt a little uncomfortable. There's people around me. I'm like, okay, enough. But I did buy a few things at the Hobby Lobby. They have like a spring sale going on, 40% off, which was really good. And let me show you what I got. Look, it's a set of nested bowls with lids. Each of them has their own lid, and it's a total of 4 bowls in here. And this is pretty dang big. These are always helpful when you're like prepping in the kitchen. And they were $25 original, but they were like 40% off, which they came out to be what, like $13, $14. So I bought them. It was a good deal. So definitely check out the Hobby Lobby section. I walked around the whole store for a little bit and they did have a lot of sales. So I'm quite impressed. All right, so now onto the yarn section. I found these cute crochet grips. These come in different sizes. I don't know if you can tell them. It says that the smallest one fits a, let's see, 2.25 millimeter, and the big one up to a 10 millimeter hook. So definitely I'm gonna try them out. And I have quite a few hooks that are just metal hooks that could definitely use the little grips and it'll be easier on my hands. So I bought that, some cardstock for my tags. So most of the yarn that I did purchase is for my business. So I got these colors for my bows. I think I have one of the green ones already done. So I need to do a few more. For this frost one, I think I have one in stock. So I need to do at least 2 more. And I think I have one in the rouge color. So definitely I needed to do some more bows and I bought more yarn. So I closed my Shopify store a few months back, but I still have been making stuff and selling them. Now, a quick tip for you if you are selling in markets, or if you sometimes have things that you make and you're like, oh, I wish I could sell them, or people just ask you, hey, you know, are you selling this, but they don't have cash? Get you a card reader. This little card reader is free with them. All you do is hook it up to your phone, get on the app, and charge. It does come with transaction fees, but like with anything, you have to factor in those fees as well with as your materials and your time into your overall product. So definitely worth it. And yeah, even if I haven't been selling online, I still do things in person and I'll still sell stuff. The little reader is free and all you do is hook up your bank account to the reader. So every time you swipe and you put in the amount, and people, if it's a debit card, they'll have to put in their PIN, so they're obviously approving it. Yeah, it's from Square, so definitely worth it. Check it out. Not sponsored, by the way. All right, I got this cotton yarn. Isn't it cute? This is the color Rosemary Cottage, and this is from the I Love This Cotton collection. This is the Hobby Lobby in-home or in-store brand, and I really like their yarn, so definitely I trust this yarn. This skein has, let's see, 153 yards or 3 ounces. And for a crochet hook, the recommended hook is a 5.5. And for knitting needles, it's a 5. So definitely worth a try. I can't wait to try it out. And then I got this Sunlit Sea Foam. This also has 153 yards. And it's the I Love This Cotton as well. Isn't this cute? And I also got this Serene Spa color from the same brand, the I Love This Cotton. Now this skein has 180 yards and 3.5 ounces, so it does have a little bit more. So I got this green seafoam color because I think it goes well with either one of these two colors. See, this matches quite nicely, and this matches quite nicely as well. So it'll definitely work out. I think I can get at least 2 market bags out of this, which is why I needed cotton. And these already have a specific project. Hey guys, quick update. Look, this is what I have left over. And this is what I have left over out of that seafoam color. And I'm nowhere near done with this bag. I ended up using the Stephanie Z video tutorial for my market bag, and I did a big bag. So I think I'm gonna run out of yarn. I still haven't even finished my first round of the sides. Still have to finish this, make it over here. And yikes, I don't know. I'm not too sad about it if I have to run back to the Hobby Lobby, but I am kind of bummed out because the whole reason why I went shopping to Hobby Lobby was because I wanted to get ahead of the cold weather and just be home, stay cozy, and crochet a few projects while it's really cold. I think today it feels like 15 degrees outside because of the wind, and I really wanted to stay home and crochet. I think it's going to be really, really cold until Friday, so definitely won't go today or tomorrow. I might go on Friday, but I am not counting on it. I don't think I have enough yarn to go around the handles, even if I did try to work this into the handles. So that kind of sucks. Well, not really. I mean, I get to go to Hobby Lobby again. And then now I know that I need a total of 3 skeins for a bag. So then I would definitely buy extra cotton yarn just so that I can have enough to finish the other skein in the other market bag. And I might just buy more colors because why the heck not? Oh my goodness. See, it's a never ending cycle. Oh, good God. All right. All right. So back to the video. And then this one. Y'all, I love this. I don't know why it called to me. The purples, the corals, the reds, the beige. There's something about it. It's called an orange cest. Oh, okay, cest. And this is acrylic yarn. This is 252 yards or 5 ounces, and it is a medium weight. So I love it. Oh, let me check out the cotton. The cotton is also a medium weight. Isn't this so cute? I loved it. This doesn't have a pattern. I just bought it on a whim, but I do have reds and beiges and oranges and blues. This does have a blue in there somewhere that I can definitely mix in and figure something out. So this yarn is so pretty, it's not gonna go to waste. I also got this skein. This is so dang soft. It's a Yarn Bee Tender Touch in the color Sea Glass. Look at it, it's so cute. And I love the halo that it gives. It's a number 5 weight. It has 135 yards or 3 ounces. It's a number 5 bulky yarn. And let's see what else. The crochet hook that they recommend is a 6.5 millimeter. And for knitting, they recommend a 6 millimeter hook or needles. I got this skein on sale at a Hobby Lobby in another town. And it sucks, man. Every time I go to this clearance section, I don't know what it is. Maybe it could be that I'm only going to Hobby Lobby on the weeks that they have the 30% off, which maybe people kind of snag all the clearance section the week before. Maybe that's when it gets good. I don't know. Then again, I've been to a Hobby Lobby before, not in my town, in another place, like 3-4 hours. And that's where I got this skein. It's the same one, but I got it for 84 cents. So I picked it up. I was like, heck yeah. And this is using the Central machine. This is, oops, this is how it looks like. I try to make a hat, but as you can see, it's not enough. And this is the other side. It works up so nicely. It works up so nicely. I loved it. It's so soft. I thought it was going to be on the thicker side or the warmer side. It's just perfect. But it's not enough. So that one 84-cent skein was not enough. And I had to get another one just to kind of complement it. I don't know if I'm going to finish working on this hat or what I'm going to do with it, but I'll definitely do something with it. Worst case scenario, I have to go back for some more yarn. And I mean, a girl can never have too much yarn. And then I got these 2 skeins. These are Yarn Bee, and they are from the Cozy Occasion collection. This is Butterscotch Medallion, and this is in the color Ivory. I recently cleaned out one of the many bags in my crochet room that is just sitting there with yarn that I don't know what to do, where it fits, or simply, you know, projects that have just been forgotten. And I realized that I had a lot of yarn that I purchased from Ollie's when they went on sale. And this is not all of it. There's more in the other bag. These are just the scraps. It's these Ogo ones. Those were $4.99 at Ollie's. So I grabbed a few and I made this blanket back here, which is also the background for a lot of the pictures that I do take. And I had quite a lot of yarn, but the only colors that I had left over were the black and the grays. And let's see, a little bit of this almost charcoal color. So I was a little bummed that I couldn't make anything because this ivory color is just very little yarn that I have. And I saw these 2 and I'm like, ooh, this looks very similar to the yarn. Maybe I could make it work. Maybe it's the right thickness. Maybe it's the right color. And for the ivory, it almost matches exactly. I don't know how exact it is. It's a little bit more fluffy for sure. I don't know if it's that it's been all crumbled up for over a year in the bag. That is probably why it has this very kind of crumpled texture compared to this one, which is probably why. You seem like they make a nice replacement. So I'll definitely use that for this. And this color that I got almost matches exactly. I won't say it's like an exact match. Well, actually, in person, yeah, a little bit. I don't know. It's not gonna pick it up on camera, but it's a little bit of a match. I want to say it's almost an exact match. So definitely, I got it. I want to make something with this. I was thinking some cat plushies. since I have this color, the white, and a lot of the black and some of the gray. Depending on how many cats I can make using this ivory, I might have to go back in 2 weeks and get another one of these skeins, but I'm not rushing because I have a lot of projects to do. So I am very stocked up for the next couple of weeks. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, that's it. It seems like I'm done. I don't know what I was thinking. It felt like I was carrying a lot. So that's why I'm like, oh, there's more yarn, but no, that's it. So this time I went shopping with a purpose. I had an idea of the projects that I wanted to do, just so that I didn't go too crazy buying yarn that I didn't need. But the only guilty purchase, I guess, was this one, but it's so pretty. I really like it, and it is an acrylic yarn, and it's so soft. If you are going to be missing the big twist, I would definitely recommend checking the I Love This yarn at Hobby Lobby. It might be a very good substitute for it. I definitely check it out. This one was $14.99, but with the 30% discount, it was obviously a little bit cheaper. I can't do the math because I'm very tired and I'm very hungry, and I'm gonna go right back out to eat some lunch. And yeah, this is my only guilty purchase. I'm so proud of myself. If you like this video, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.